Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a website for free using only your phone. Now, you can do this on both Android and Apple products. I am using my new Samsung Galaxy A15 5G phone, but you can also use this on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you two methods on how to do this. We're going to go over two websites that we can use. The very first one is going to be Google Sites. Now, you just need to go to your browser and just type in Google Sites and it will appear. It's going to be this one, right? And what you want to do is, of course, go to Google Sites like this, and you can see it says to create or edit a site, go to Google Sites on your desktop. Now, here's the thing. You can actually do this on your phone by tapping on the three dots on the upper right corner of your screen like so. Pop-up will appear, and you're going to look at desktop site, and there's going to be a checkbox. So what you want to do is just tap on it to enable desktop viewing on your phone. And as you can see, we are now on the Google Sites website. You can do this for free and just choose any of the options here. So for example, let's tap in family update. Let's wait for it to load because it does take a bit of time for it to load. All right, so I did this, but it wouldn't load for some reason. So I just went with the untitled, or the blank page. So as you can see here, it says add content. Use the insert menu to add content to your website. You can move content, change the size of and crop images. So let's click next. So move things around, click next. Work with others, click next. And okay, got it. So you could actually, your title of your page here, you could change. It's going to be, say, tech guide tutorials, right? Like so. We can adjust that. We can also make this we can adjust this thing, right? We can adjust everything here. We can also add an image. For example, let's upload something and it's going to go to your photos. For example, let's use this one to add a bit of flair, a bit of flavor to your page, right? And you can also do this, right? So add a text. Again, you can add you can upload another image. You can use maybe this one and just resize it a bit like so. And again, this is a bit tricky using your phone, but and then you can add tests here. Let's say this is the weekly guide. That, and you can just add everything here. As you can see, you have text box, images, drive. You could actually get media from your Google Drive. You tap on this, it's gonna connect to your Google Drive like so. And there's a lot of other options here. You can actually change your map and just put your location anywhere in the world, right? So after that, what you want to do, for example, you finished everything else, right? You finished putting things together, so and so forth. You could add a YouTube here too, right? You could add a URL there, cancel that. After that, all you need to do is click on publish here on the upper right corner of the screen, that big square publish button, and then you will be good to go. So that is going to be Google Sites. Now, what is the second one? Let's close everything. The second one would be webstarts.ai. So webstarts.ai, as you can see here, create a free website from your phone. It's very easy. Just click get started here, or if you have an account already, just click on log in. And here it says how it works. There's a video. You can just upload everything, photos, videos. You can also remix, which means edit your layout to your content. And then perfect, tap on the photo or text to customize your site and make it your own. And as you can see here, they have their Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest here. So again, very easy to do. So just click get started here. Well, let's wait for it to load. There you go. After this, is this site for you or the organization? For example, let's just tap me. What's your full name? Just tap in, Eric Rogers, for example. Tap continue. Upload a photo of yourself or skip the step. You could just upload anything. For example, let's upload this one, putting one of one. Okay, after that, upload more photos or skip the step. So let's upload another one. Let's upload this again. Right? What's your phone number? 23. Continue. Just category of the site. So this comes with what your website is about. So there's a lot of options here: consulting and coaching, services and maintenance, technology and apps, advertising, marketing, automotive, real estate, finance and law, pets and animals. And an online store has its own category. It has fashion and clothing, jewelry and accessories, arts and crafts, home and decor, health and beauty, foods and drinks, electronics, kids. And then you have book publishers as well. You have photography, you have video, you have music for solo artists, for bands, for DJs, for just general music industry stuff. And you have design, you have agencies, portfolios, design, restaurants, and food. So for example, we're gonna go with travel. For example, hotels and B&B, bed and breakfasts. To do that, it's gonna pretty much create our website for ourselves. As you can see, the two photos that we uploaded has already been used. This is our profile, as you can see, and then this is our welcome to our website, who we are, what we do, how we're different. So you could just click remix, right, to edit everything. So Eric Rogers, right? You could choose pretty much how to do everything. Click continue. Wait for it to load, and then you can just sign up. Of course, you need to sign up before you start doing everything. And again, full name, email, password, very straightforward. And after that, again, this is free. It's very hassle-free and it's very easy to use. And again, you can tweak it as much as you can. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.